If we could go to, I'm seeing if she's on. Yes, Jolie Brislin.
There she is. Welcome, Ms. Brislin. Please go ahead.
Hi, good morning. For the record, my name is Jolie Brislin, and I serve as the Regional Director of the Anti-Defamation League, Nevada Regional Office. On behalf of the ADL, I appreciate the opportunity to speak with you this morning in regards to AB296. Thank you for convening today's hearing, and thank you to Assemblywoman Nguyen for your sponsorship of this bill. Founded in 1913, ADL has a timeless mission to stop the defamation of the Jewish people and to secure justice and fair treatment for all. Today, more than ever, this mission's relevance endures. At ADL, we work to combat anti-Semitism, prejudice, and hate in all its kinds while defending our democratic ideals and civil rights. Unfortunately, we know that hate and extremism are on a rise, and digital space are not immune. The disparities and stark in terms of which communities are particularly impacted by hate. According to a recent national ADL study last month, 27% of Americans experience severe online hate and harassment, defined as including sexual harassment, stalking, physical threats, swatting, doxing, and sustained harassment. Additionally, in the 2021 report, 33% of respondents attributed at least some of the online harassment they experienced to their identity, defined as their sexual orientation, religion, race, or ethnicity, gender identity, or disability. We must do more to ensure that we are protecting against online hate and harassment and its consequences to individuals' personal and professional lives. Such actions include the emerging threat of doxing. ADL urges this committee to support AB 296 to address doxing in Nevada state law. If passed, this law would prohibit a person from posting another's information online with the intent to harm them and with reckless disregard of causing death, bodily injury, stalking, or mental anguish. According to ADL's 2020 report, 81% of Americans agree that laws should be strengthened to hold perpetuators of online hate accountable for their conduct. This bill empowers victims and targets of this digitally enabled hate to seek recourse. We thank you for your time and consideration and look forward to any questions you may have.
Thank you so much, Ms. Brislin.